Mastering Time Management, GMAT and GRE Test Day Strategy. Hello everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're delving deep into a crucial topic: how to incorporate time management strategies into your GMAT and GRE practice sessions. Effective time management not only allows you to answer more questions correctly but also boosts your overall confidence on test day. Effective time management is paramount to excelling in standardized tests like GMAT and GRE. Unlike classroom tests where you might get a few extra minutes, here, every second counts. By managing your time wisely. 1. You reduce panic. You don't want to find yourself rushing through the last questions. 2. You ensure coverage. Answering all questions, even with educated guesses, can be better than leaving them blank. 3. You maintain consistency. Allowing a steady pace prevents spending too much time on one tough question. Now, let's dive into specific strategies you should be incorporating during your practice sessions. 1. Segmentation. Divide the entire duration into smaller time slots, allocating each to a set of questions. For instance, in a 30-minute session, check your progress every 10 minutes. 2. Use a timer. While practicing, always use a timer. This not only gives you a real exam feel but also helps you gauge your average time per question. 3. Educated guessing. If a question is consuming too much time, don't hesitate to make an educated guess. It's crucial to practice this, so you're comfortable doing it on test day if needed. 4. Skip and return. If a particular question seems challenging, skip it and come back later. However, be cautious with this on computer-based tests where navigation might be limited. 5. Review. At the end of each practice session, review questions where you exceeded your time limit. Understand why and work on those specific areas. There's a difference between regular practice and test simulation. Regular practice might involve solving questions topic-wise, but simulation is about the whole experience. For this, 1. Full-length tests. Every once in a while, take a full-length test to simulate the real exam scenario. 2. Distraction-free zone. Create a quiet environment similar to the test center. This will help you get used to focusing amidst potential distractions on test day. 3. Use actual test tools. If possible, use the same kind of tools, e.g., a certain type of calculator or scratch paper, as you'll get on test day. And there we have it, folks. Time management isn't just about moving quickly, it's about moving wisely. We hope these strategies equip you to excel in your upcoming GMAT or GRE tests. Remember, practice makes perfect. And the more you simulate real test conditions, the better you'll become at managing your time. Until next time, happy studying and best of luck.